receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazards. This evening test is conducted on the first Wednesday of each month between the hours of 6 p.m. and 7:30 p.m. When there is a threat for existing severe weather, the test is postponed until the following Wednesday evening. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, may occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm will be activated for warnings in selected watches affecting locations in portions of West Kentucky, Southeast Missouri, Southern Illinois, Southwest Indiana, and Northwest Tennessee. This concludes this Wednesday evening test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. We now return to our regular programming. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the